Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rahul. So, in this video, we will discuss regarding the Wix one process. So, in my group, I am getting so much query regarding what's the process and visual prerequisite they have to complete regarding Wings one. So, in this video, we will clearly mention all details regarding that one. So, if you have any further doubts regarding this one, you can ping me via Insta or something. I will give the links in my description. You can check there. And if you are new here, subscribe my channel for more coding contents and tech updates. So let's start. So this is the course for Wings One for IT background people. For ITIS, it's 15206. It's somewhat same. Only the utility part it's different. Remaining it's same only. So we will tell everything in here only. Okay. So this is the prerequisite section that you have to complete. Here there are total 9 group. So as a beginner, as a fresher, you may get doubt. That's obvious. So in this one, you have to complete articulation domain. These are the two important one. Then technology and the remaining thing like intellective, process, business skill, and another tech track. So in that four, you can choose either one. So now they introduce some change last cycle only, like based upon the unit, you have to choose the external certification as well as technology. So to get know regarding the unit, just connect with your manager or HR as well as your TD also. So it's better to connect with HR only. So they will give all the necessary details and everything. Once you get to know which technology and utility you can do, just start with that only. And another important thing that you have to keep in mind is just try to do prerequisite as early as possible. Because in this all groups, especially in articulation, there are four uh, courses only currently. But when you get into those, just you can see these courses you have to complete. But the another thing is for completing some courses in these things also. So in order to complete, in that one also there are some prerequisite. So you have to keep one thing be, to reflect this courses. Once you complete the other prerequisite, then only you will get to these courses. Means now I completed all this, that's why it's not reflecting here. Like otherwise, see here, no prerequisite required for this certificate, like that I'm getting now because at starting I get a lot of courses in order to complete to get these things unlocked. So better try the complete the prerequisite early as possible. Otherwise, if you um, try to do the prerequisite later, like before 1 or 2 weeks before the end date, means the last date for registration and everything is 31st March. So before that only complete all the necessary prerequisite for Wings 1, otherwise you won't be able to do. Because last cycle also so many did the same mistake, like they start the prerequisite and everything before 1 week only. So that's why I'm telling you, don't take risk, just try to save your side. So once you complete all the prerequisite, then these I'll show you. So once you complete all the prerequisite, this section will get mark 4 of 4 elements completed. Then only you will be eligible for Wings exam. And I will at last I will show you some other things. So here you first of all complete the articulation because that's some a long one. Class is one to complete because there are so many sub courses in that also some other sub parts also, are there. So just try to start from articulation. Once you complete some courses, then you have to take. Uh, it will take 24 hours to get reflect. So at that time, try to do other courses. In so we're done with articulation. Second thing is domain. So in domain, my suggestion because the answer for this course is available almost everything in Google only. So you can choose this one and make it occur. So in part 2, it's the direct assessment. You can go for Wings 1 domain, specialization, payments, and card direct assessment. So this one you can easily clear because everything, whatever question they given here, everything is available. So better try to do that one. Once you complete articulation and domain, our two important things are done because domain course completion is necessary for Wings exam. And so after doing all, these things, our next important one is step one, that is technology. So many asking this thing also, which is the easiest track. So I will just give you one thing regarding technology. In this one, it's based upon your passion, your understanding. Because I like Java and I like this coding session, coding part. That's why I am guiding and I am giving notes regarding T4 Spring Boot, as well as this man and mean, as well as Django. These things I have some knowledge. That's why I'm posting notes and codes, everything related to those stuff. So if you have no coding background, nothing, you don't know anything regarding these things, then I get to know like this T15. Yeah, T15 is somewhat like there is no hands-on, only MCQ. Like that, I get to know. Just confirm this with one of someone that who appeared T15 earlier. So if you have if you don't have confidence regarding coding, just go to T15 or something. So in this one, first one is the building modern web app, that is the MERN stack as well as mean. So here the main exam will be same as this prerequisite only. Like that I get to know from those who attended this T1. So just work on that one if you are going for T1. And in coming weeks, I will post demo courses or demo coding sessions like that. So just wait. And regarding others, T2, T3, these are modern data repository. This I think machine learning or something. I'm not that much aware of T3. For T4, it's Django and Spring Boot. So for prerequisite, we have two sections. Like in Spring Boot only, two sections are there. One Java code as well as one Spring Boot. So there are so many doubts in that one also. In Python also, in Django also same. There is one Python and Django. So just understand one thing. For main exam, there is only one hands-on regarding Spring Boot or Django. So based upon your selection in the survey that they gave for Wings One registration, you can choose. For main exam, you will get only one hands-on, either Spring Boot or Django in T4. So in that one, don't believe in this prerequisite because for main exam they will ask JWT, means the security part. So work on security as well as with the latest version. Last cycle they asked 3.1.0 version, I think. It's but it quite easy only if you know the security part. The remaining things are same. Whatever you learn, the same only you can give for the main exam, because last cycle I gave two codes 787 and 79923 courses. Same patterns they asked, and with the latest version. So if you learn the security part clearly, same you have to write whatever whatever um, question you are getting, you have to write the same thing only in security part. For the other thing in the corrupt operation, based upon the models and the HTTP code as well as the uh, parameters. Then, with respect to these things, you have to write the query and everything. In some cases, means this database thing. So that's a another thing. I got some issue regarding making this course is during the repository part you have to give some query, SQL query, in order to work, because some failures are getting in that one. So to get all test case clear, it's not every time. Sometimes only it will happen. Okay, for T4. Then other things, T5 it's cloud. Then T7, if you are interested in cybersecurity penetration testing, this is the best one, because last cycle they asked penetration testing only regarding main exam. So if you're interested in cybersecurity, just go to T7, because that's the best option for those people. Mainframe, I'm not aware. I think it's COBOL DB2 something like that. I'm not pretty much sure about this stuff. So next T13. T13 is Tableau Informatica. That also somewhat easy only. I get to know, but they didn't have that much sources. Means for Wings exam, TCS, um, the way they gave question is not available in anywhere. So for sources, I am not aware. I will try to get and update. T12, it's automation testing only. It's Selenium like that things. T15, this is the thing I told for non-coders and those who have no don't have confidence in coding and anything. Go for T15. It's cloud and AI. So that's another good thing. Then UX, that also these things I don't know. So based upon your knowledge, your things, just try. That's the best part, because if you have some knowledge in some technology, then you can write in that one. Okay. So once you complete technology, we done in these things in the articulation and in technology. Step one, you have to get distinction for one tech. In step two, there are four things like technology, process, intellective, business skill. So you can either choose it in two way, step one and step two. For step one, technology track, either one tech track. For step two, you can choose either a tech track or a process or business skill or intellective. So if you have distinction in one tech track, then you have to get one pass for another tech. In process and business, you have to get distinction for main exam. Okay, intellective, it you have to choose it based upon your unit. So the thing I did was AWS Developer Associate, mock assessment and everything. So the thing I done was AWS Developer Associate. You will get everything in Udemy, mock assessment and everything. So you can go through that. And yeah, so this one also, this business skill, uh, there are two things, business skill 1 and 2. So I will show you the SOP, like what all stuffs you have to learn for these afterwards. Process, I don't know, I just completed, that's it. So these are the things: technology, articulation, uh, domain. So these three things are mandatory in prerequisite, and the remaining things like process, intellective, business skill. In these three, it's up to you. You have to choose based upon yourself which one you need. From these three, you have to select one only. Okay, and you have to complete the prerequisite for the same. So that's the thing you have to do. Once you complete all the things, you will get a section like this, like all the things are completed. Okay. Once you've done this, another doubts that you are facing is this dashboard, right? So this one I will give you a brief. So this dashboard only get reflect after you complete your main exam. Means once you pass or get distinction, then only here it will get reflect. The prerequisite it's just to make you eligible for writing Wings exam, not to get reflect here. So just understand that thing clearly. So this is the Wings one SOP link. It's gone. Wait a second. So this is the link. So here you will get all the details regarding Wings one. And another thing, for freshers, okay, freshers, you don't need any writing or anything. Just you have to complete the prerequisite. That's enough for attending Wings one. Okay, yeah. So for articulation, these five things you have to learn for main exam. So these are the things regarding full stack. Okay. So in business skill 1 and 2, these are the things you have to do. Okay. So this is the SOP where you will get every details. So here, one thing for freshers, you have to complete the prerequisite only. There is no need of writing or anything, band or anything for freshers. For experience one, for 1 year experience, they will only think of writing. For other people, they will choose the band and everything. For rating also, the associate need 5 or 4. For band A or B band is needed for writing the exam. Okay. So this is the syllabus for articulation: A1, A2, A3. A5. These are the things you have to learn. And for business skill also, everything is given. Whatever you have to learn, it's given here. Learn those stuff, and here based upon your unit, you have to complete the unit electives and everything. So other than this, if you have any doubt, just ping me or just comment down. I will check whatever your doubts in with seniors or someone, and will let you know. So better try to do the prerequisite and everything. So see you.